Well, today I'm actually going to head into a really scary tunnel on my way to a place that has some trails that are kind of hidden and secret, and it's going to be kind of interesting because there's a lot of trails here, but I'm not really sure what to expect. Although there are some jumps that I completely forgot about until my way here, and we're going to try that. But here's the scary tunnel. Oh yeah, I'm going to kind of lean back so you can experience that's the tunnel that goes under Highway 494. Pretty cool. These are some secret trails in Minnetonka. They're totally unlegit. And there's some jumps back here I'm going to hit here in a second. So let's just keep, there's my phone, being goofy. But I'm really not sure what to say about this. This is pretty awesomeness. Didn't realize this was here. This extensive, I knew that some of the trails were here. So obviously I'm walking right now. We're going to go down, try to hit these jumps. But the trail starts right here behind the building, the whatchamacallit building. I know I have these weird things on my arms, but oh, that was easy. This one here, yeah, that's what I figured. Then you got this one, which is just, yeah, I think I'm gonna try that again. All right, my second run. Getting a little better gear. Oh yeah. Depedaling. Clear it. Oh! I think that's the first real official gap jump I've done on this bike. Oh yeah. That felt good. The last time I was here, there was a gap jump, and they've actually rebuilt one of these things, and I don't know if I'm going to take it at any speed. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's awesome. Gap jump. Oh yeah. I gotta do that again. Woo! Let's go take a look at that. Yeah, that's like brand new. Hey, put a drop in up here on my left too. I'm not gonna do that. Here's the gap jump I just did. That's the gap jump. But this, back here, is a jump I just kind of flopped. This thing. This is like fresh. This is a fresh jump. Oh my gosh. So I don't know if you can see it. That's a 10-foot jump, for sure. They put some serious effort into this. I'm not scared, I'm just like, can I get enough speed to do this? Oh, that'll wreck you. Oh yeah. That's easy. That'll totally wreck you. Ugh. I'm going to call that jump a tableized step down, because that's pretty much what it is. This is the drop. This actually isn't too bad. This is something I would probably do, but not today, because I'm so beat tired. Oh, look at the colors. Wow. It is just beautiful up here. Basically, you crank, go off it, you have a nice steep landing, and then where my bike is, there's a berm that's been rebuilt. And this is new too. So, pretty cool. Oh, I'm headed home now. I think I'm headed home. What an epic day. Finished my mountain bike trail. Tried to do a ridiculously huge jump, and I got back on some trails in other areas that have been long since lost. That was a pretty good day, I think.